Hi, today I will show you how you can connect your cameras on your Oval AI Hub. Before we begin, make sure your camera is already set up and connected to the same network as Oval AI Hub through its native app, for example, the Reolink or EaseBiz app. Once it's live on the network, our Oval app can detect and integrate it automatically. Moving forward towards the app, we will create the room. It's already created. Storeroom is created. Moving towards the device section, tap on the plus button. Here you can see different devices. We'll tap on the Reolink. Here you can select camera's location, as indoor or outdoor. You can select different rooms. I have to add this into the storeroom. You can use the same username and password as same as the Reolink app, and the host is patched automatically. Tap on that button. The device is added successfully. We'll go to the dashboard. Camera is initializing. Camera is connected successfully. You can view the camera's view in the full screen as well. You can turn on and off sound from the camera. You can change the settings as a camera's name, notification settings, protected zone. You can add it from here. Camera controls can be controlled from here. Camera can move from one room to another room from here. And then you can delete the device from here. That's it. Thank you.